Welcome to Cyber Rodeo. Welcome to Cyber Rodeo. It wasn't easy building this incredible, this humongous building and getting all this equipment here. I just cannot express enough appreciation and gratitude and admiration for the Tesla team that built Giga Texas. I want to give you a sense of the size of this thing. So what we have here is, if you put the building on its side, it's taller than the Burj Khalifa, equivalent to 3 Pentagons. And this building is the most advanced car factory that Earth has ever seen. We cast the front and rear body. The pack itself is structural. Out comes a finished product. So it's raw materials in one side, cars out the other side. So we're building our own battery cells. We think the most advanced cell in the world here at Giga Texas. All the footage you see here is from this factory. And we think over time this will probably be the biggest cell factory in the world. So, what's next? I'm not gonna spill all the beans right now. What I can say is we're gonna move to just truly massive scale. Scale that no company has ever achieved in the history of humanity. And now, let us deliver our first Tesla cars made in Texas. Oh, what have we here? So we're going to smash the window again. We're going to have an incredible Cybertruck product for you next year. We can't wait to build this here and deliver them to you. Sorry for the delay. It's been an intense couple of years, but we're going to have this for you next year, and it's going to be great. And it's going to be like just one kick-ass product after another, starting next year, and then some cool stuff that we haven't even talked about. So let's see. Thanks again for coming. I hope you're having a great time. Here at Tesla, we believe in throwing great parties. Let's get this party started and have a fantastic time tonight. I love you guys.